dead man's hate. They hanged John Farrell in the dawn, amid the marketplace.
At dusk came Adam Brand to him,
and spat upon his face.
Ho neighbors all, spoke Adam Brand.
See ye John Farrell's fate.
'Tis proven here a hempen noose
is stronger than man's hate.
For heard ye not John Farrell's vow?
To be avenged upon me.
Come life or death, see how he hangs.
High on a gallows tree.
Yet never a word the people spoke.
In fear and wild surprise.
For the grisly corpse raised up its head
and stared with sightless eyes,
and with strange motions, slow and stiff,
pointed at Adam Brand,
and clambered down the gibbet tree,
the noose within its hand.
With gaping mouth stood Adam Brand,
like a statue carved of stone,
till the dead man laid a clammy hand
hard on his shoulder bone.
Then Adam shrieked like a soul in hell.
The red blood left his face,
and he reeled away in a drunken run
through the screaming marketplace.
And close behind, the dead man came,
with a face like a mommy's mask.
And the dead joints cracked, and the stiff legs creaked.
With their unwonted task,
men fled before the flying twain,
or shrank with bated breath.
And they saw on the face of Adam Brand
the seal set there by death.
He reeled, unbuckling legs that failed.
Yet on and on he fled.
So through the shuddering marketplace,
the dying fled the dead.
At the riverside fell Adam Brand,
with a scream that rent the skies.
Across him fell John Farrell's corpse.
Nor ever the twain did rise.
There was no wound on Adam Brand,
but his brow was cold and damp.
For the fear of death had blown out his life.
As a witch blows out a lamp.
His lips were writhed in a horrid grin,
like a fiend's on Satan's coals.
And the men that looked on his face that day,
he stares to hounds their souls.
Such was the fate of Adam Brand.
A strange, unearthly fate.
For stronger than death or hempen noose
are the fires of a dead man's hate.